Hello everyone, I'm Joy from China, forking machine factory. Now I'm going to introduce how to use forking machine. This machine can forking and spray. Let's go. You see here 3 tanks: water tank, fuel tank, dry tank. If you want to spray, water tank filling water, gasoline, tag. Z tank and Z tank also no change. Only change this. If you want to forget, water tank filling diesel oil. If you want to spray, Z tank filling water. Water tank diesel oil. Must be only diesel oil. Chemical and water. Filling Z tank, that tank. First, push here. That's okay. Remember, no push too much. Only gasoline, that's okay. Now, open the switch. Push down. Long push. Start again. No need to push this apple. Only push here. Long push. If no start, only push here. Number 1. Only 1. That's okay. Please remember, this and this, no need to push too much. That's wrong. That's wrong. Where no star. You see? If like this, please do it like this. Then push star, long time.